Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any text or number arrange automatically in ascending or descending order in Microsoft Word. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Microsoft Word software. And now let me add some text. So I have added some text here. So you can see here, it's not arranged properly as you can see. So I want this text to be automatically arranged in the ascending order. So for this, what you need to do is just click on this option. And now just keep this option as paragraphs, and on the right side you can select the text, or if it's a number then just select the number, and if it's a date then you can select the date. Right now it's a text, and now on the right side you can see ascending or descending, whichever option you want to select. So I want it to auto arrange in the ascending order, so I've selected the ascending. After that just click on OK. Voila, now you can see here all the text has been automatically arranged in the ascending order since I have selected the ascending order. So if you want in the descending order, then you can select the descending order option. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make any text or number arrange automatically in ascending or descending order in Microsoft Word very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.